Hey YouTube, coming at you with some Zatch Bell that I bought off eBay. This game's dead. These are probably worthless. So we're just gonna bust them open, ruin the value of this sealed case of blister packs that had very minimal value to begin with. So I used to play this with my brother when I was a kid. Here's the case that they all kind of slide into. We got Viz Media, Zatch Bell, the card battle, everyone's favorite. Alright, got 12 blister packs here, Series 1, some cardboard. Gonna take, I guess, the first one, kind of crack it open. I don't know anything about the rarity of how to determine what's good, what's shit. I'm assuming everything's common, unless stated otherwise. Here's a pack for you. Zatch Bell the card game. Series 1, we got Show Pro Entertainment, made in China. Stated odds reflect average of entire production run. No ratio guaranteed to exist within an individual box or case. That just means fuck you. 9 randomly selected cards, 5 common, 3 uncommon, 1 rare. 1 parallel holographic card randomly inserted, 1 out of 1 pack. Super rare card randomly inserted, 1 in 6. I don't think I've ever seen a card game just blatantly tell you odds of rarities on the pack and then say, just kidding, that might not be real. Try and get it open. Alright, and we have, cards are super thin, width-wise, kind of like a Yu-Gi-Oh card. Here, let's see. Yep, identical to a Yu-Gi-Oh card. Wacky, these Japanese people, because it wasn't made by Wizards of the Coast. So we got Kalulu, Zakir, Brago, Hollow, Vulcan 300, Ion Graviray, Zurusen, Kind King, Ivy Kinoyama, Yuta Akiyama, and Poki Kiro. Poki whatever. I'm probably going to cut till I open all the blisters and just have the packs. So judging by this, we should be getting 2 super rares, supposedly, but they also state that you won't, maybe. Pack number 2. Gonna go right through. Xeno, that looks like a super rare. So there's 1. Xeno, Mamoto. This is the guaranteed holo. We got Checkmate, Stay Focused, Yaruk, Kyo's Anger, Ganzu Garan, Koporuk, Poruk, and Amu Shizaruk. Pack 3. Show off Xeno. I remember him from the anime. Tina, Zaker, Fulgore's Dance, Hosokawa, Brago, Igaran, British Gentleman, Graviray, Haru, and Graviray. Downforce and Downforce, but with different artworks. Different powers, too. Oh. I have no clue how to play the game. I did order some starter decks, but this happened to come first. It's a little pull tab in the corner, I guess. Doesn't work great. We have Renji, Best Friends, Brago, Sherry, Dori Mikaru, Iron Man Falgore, Saisu, Mrs. Takamine, Hana Takamine, Zaruk, and Amaruk. Did I pull out the foil? Did not. Next pack. I guess the pull tab's not terrible. This does look like the second secret rare of the blisters, and it is Radom, Robnos Double, 2-in-1, Coco, Kyo Takamine, Kind Kyo, Zatch Bell, Bajuran, Wood, Mikeru, Watch Out, and Cory. And I just stacked them all on the foils. There we go. So we have found both secret rares, unless the ratio ends up working in our favor for not being real, but being real. We have Jakurga, Ido, looking tight, Conchome, probably my favorite character, Friendship Curry, Mursen, Zaker, Tsuyoshi, Purpose of the Battle, Race Downforce, and Rice Downforce. If we do get the third super rare, be kind of cool. Gaikor, Ice, British Gentleman, Tia, Mr. Takamine, Sitaro Takamine, not like Hannah, the other one, Tia, one super Japanese, one super English, Kalulu transformed, Pariko, Gofure, hold on, Jakir. That leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Hoping for that third super, but I wouldn't hold my breath. It's one of the few games I've seen where they'll put the super rare right at the front of the pack. Garon, Megumi's Concert, Raw Shield, Hyde, Ray Baruch, Doruk, Rembrandt, Sugino, and Stang. 4 to go. Kind of a weird card game, definitely short-lived. If you want product, it's incredibly cheap on eBay and most likely other third-party sites. Zebaru, Amaruk, Tia, Fiend, Conchome, whoa, Dorsen, I Asked for Fish, Wygar, Susie's Lucky Fruit, interesting, Jakerdor, three packs left. Of the 12 blister, I don't know if you call it a case, a box, whatever, Mr. Takamine. I guess these are just like reverse foils. They can be literally any card. Probably just common and uncommon, or I don't know. Giga no Reis, Sebe, Best Friends, Baltro, Baraitsu. Sorry about that. the camera decided to stop recording, so you lost one pack. Nothing great. Basically, not a huge deal. More of the same cards, same commons. I was able to figure out pretty clearly that the rarity is dictated in the corner with a, if I can focus, there's a C in the corner for common. Your foil will also have a rarity. It's just a reprint of a normal card in the set. So you'll get common, 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 uncommon, uncommon, common, you know, keep it weird. Common, common, common. I did not see the rare in that pack. Are you not I thought you were guaranteed a rare. Ah. Keo is the rare, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 with the holo. Yep. So, dead card game. Interesting card game. This is a super rare SR with a number in the corner, 2003 to 2005. You can tell super rare also, gold text, or the SR in the corner. I guess we can go over our foils and call it a day. Xeno, Radom, Brago, which is a foil rare, not guaranteed. Well, maybe it is in a case of blisters, probably at least one. Mr. Takamine is uncommon, 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 uncommon. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 common foils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 uncommon foils. 1 rare. 2 super rares. I wouldn't be surprised if every single blister case like that follows the same method, because they kind of print it on the back. But like a little safeguard. I don't know. Cool game. If my blisters show up sometime soon, probably show those off. Oh, extra uncommon. But if you were a fan of the show, it's incredibly inexpensive to buy cards. You get a shit ton for like $10. But that's about it. Thanks for watching. As a little Zatch Bell bonus, I do have both of the GameCube games. This one's pretty shit. This one's pretty good. Had a lot of fun with that as a kid. Thought I'd throw it in there just for Zatch Bell completeness.